Welcome to the Mobile Stairlift Easy Evacuation Stair Chair training course. This video will tell you everything you need to know about the different components of the evacuation stair chair, as well as how to safely operate it. This product fulfills a need for a safer alternative to standard stair chairs. Previously, the weight would need to be entirely supported by two personnel while descending a staircase. However, now the weight is instead supported by mobile patient lifts track technology on the staircase, reducing the risk of developing chronic back pain or other injuries on the job. The evacuation stair chair comes fully assembled out of the box and is built to be easily deployed to save time during emergencies. Through this demonstration, we will highlight the many features of the evacuation stair chair and how to use it properly. Any stair chair should only be used when the patient is alert and can maintain their own airway. To prepare the chair for use, begin by unbuckling the seatbelt to release the chair and unfold to an open position. Pull the retracting handlebar up until it locks in place. Attach the headrest by securing the Velcro. Assist in transferring the patient into the chair. Secure the patient using the adjustable safety belt, as well as the adjustable leg strap. Be sure the headrest is an effective height for the patient. Deploy the rear push handles and disengage the rear wheel lock in order to navigate to the stair top. Always ensure the patient is secured before proceeding. To descend a staircase, have one EMS professional head down the stairs, prepared to support if needed. This chair has lower lift handles for a two-operator descent if required. Fold down the rear push handles before descent. When ready, approach the first step. Tilt the chair back while pushing the chair forward until the tracks catch onto the stairs. Transfer your hands onto the top of the handlebar while pressing down to help maintain friction. The track technology will keep the weight of the patient off of you and better assist in controlling the speed of descent. Again, you will approach, tilt the chair back onto its rear wheels, then transfer the chair's weight from the rear wheels to the track while applying downward pressure to the top of the handlebar. Once the rear wheels of the stair chair touch the landing at the bottom of the stairs, tilt the device forward to the upright position. You can replace your hands to the rear handlebars and navigate to the next stair top, where you will repeat the process. This easy evacuation stair chair can carry up to 400 pounds. However, it is important that you know how much weight you can support as a team and to be careful not to exceed this. If you have arrived to the exit or are ready to transport the patient, you can use the rear handles to push the chair. When necessary, use wheel locks if offloading patient. To return the stair chair to a folded position after use, begin by removing the headrest. Next, press the red handle release bar and push the retractable handlebar down. To fold the seat and tracks together, rotate the red release bar in the rear of the chair and finish by securing the folded chair with the safety belt. The stair chair also comes with a dust cover for storage. Thank you for watching this training guide on the Mobile Stairlift Easy Evacuation Stair Chair. For more information or training on this stair chair, visit mobilestairlift.com.